Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to make a ember look on your image using Google Pixel smartphone. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to make a ember look. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom of this image. Tap on the edit option. Here you can see few options: unblur, dynamic, portrait, etc. Scroll toward right to reach the ember option. Here you can see the ember option. Tap on the ember. By choosing this option, you can make your photo into a ember look. By doing this, you can make your any photo on a ember look. Tap on the save copy option on the bottom right corner to save this image into your device. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.